Hi guys, we're here for our last video about fractions, and we're going to be talking about multiplying and dividing fractions. Okay, so these are just the rules. So for multiplying, we're going to multiply straight across. So that means multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators, and then simplify if needed, and you're done. For dividing, we're going to use the rule of keep, change, flip, multiply straight across, just like this, and then simplify if needed. Okay, let's do some questions together. So we're going to do all of the multiplication ones, and then we're going to get into the division. So we're going to be multiplying straight across and then simplifying if we need. So multiplying straight across, 3 times 1 is 3. 4 times 4 is 16. Okay? And then can I simplify this? And nope, I cannot. So that's my answer. Okay, so we're multiplying straight across and then seeing if we need to simplify. 1 times 3 is 3. 8 times 5 is 40. Look to see if we can simplify, and here we can't. Okay, 3 is not a perfect factor of 40 or of 16. So next one, 1/4 times 2/7, multiply straight across. 1 times 2 is 2. 4 times 7 is 28. Can I simplify this one? Yeah, 2 does go into 28. So if I divide both sides by 2, I get 1/14. So that's simplified, and so I just circle that as my answer. Okay? 4/5 times 7/8, multiply straight across, get 28/40. This one looks like we can be simplified. Okay, so I'm looking and thinking of factors that these both have in common, so 28 and 40. I can divide it both by 2, but I want to find the greatest common factor to divide by. What about if I divide by 4? If I divide both sides by 4, right, I would get 7, and then 40 divided by 4 is 10. 7/10. That cannot be simplified, so this would be my answer. Okay, multiplying is pretty easy. The division ones can get a little tricky, okay? But I can make them easy by using keep, change, flip. Okay, so let's do the first one together. We're going to do keep, change, flip. So you're going to keep the whole first fraction, so 1/7 stays the same. We're going to change the sign from division to multiplication. And then we're going to flip 2/9. So instead of 2/9, I'm going to have 9/2. Okay? And then you multiply straight across like we just did. So 1 times 9 is 9. 7 times 2 is 14. And then you look to see if you can simplify, which here we can't. So we would be done. Okay? Let's move on to the next one. So we're going to use keep, change, flip, multiply straight across, simplify if needed. So keep the 1/2, change the sign, flip 2/3 to 3/2. Okay, multiply straight across, 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 2 is 4. That can't be simplified, so this is our answer. Okay, so we have 3/4 divided by 1/4. 3/4 we keep, change the sign, and then flip the other one. Multiply straight across, 3 times 4 is 12, 4 times 1 is 4. 12 divided by 4, right, 12/4, okay, is 3/1 if I divide both sides by 4, or just 3. Okay? Last one, 2/10 divided by 4/5. So I keep 2/10, change the sign, flip the fraction. Now I multiply straight across. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 times 4 is 40. Then I look, can I simplify this? Well, if I divide both sides by 10, right? 10 divided by 10 is 1. 40 divided by 10 is 4. So I get 1/4 as my answer. Okay? Let me know if you guys have any questions. Feel free to pause the video as many times as you need. Okay? Bye, guys.